to use NWBC transaction on our training system, and I saw that this transaction actually duplicates SAP easy menu.
Yes, it is. Like if you don't go to like here, you can directly go from here, like
to SAP logon and then SAP easy access menu, and all what I want to do, I can perform here in SAP easy access. Yes.
Here, whatever you can see here. Each and everything here. Whatever option in your menu, each and everything is here. Now, why we prefer here? It's like you can say it's like for me generally I use the NWBC. That's why it's like I'm used to. That's why I'm using NWBC. If you like to prefer from here, it is also good for you. From here, recipe menu, you can see all. Here is a addition. You can see services, not changing like whatever I can see here. What was that? Sorry, under course application. Here we show here option directly services. Here change pointer services. No, we can see the option services, and under services there is a node monitor import. From there we can see. From here we have a node. Here you can see a node like others directly services, and under services you can see another node monitoring import, and you have to click that and you can see all the failure, error, success, whatever the how many product, how many article, how many merchandise category, each and every detail will be replicated here, and side by side you can check the error message. Very easy, like you can just from next to next, you just call down and you can see the details. So here you get the path is NWBC cross application component, and then there is a under course application there is a node services. Then there is another node monitor import. So this is the path, or you can directly go to a menu, SAP menu. But path is same, NWBC or SAP. Yeah.
Excuse me, but in cross application components branch, I can see services node. Where is it?
Yeah, here you can see.
Yes. Where is services?
Okay, that's why I'm telling you some services is not active here. I'm checking. Yeah, that's why you can see the option services. Even if I'm trying to even I don't know what happened. Even last batches, whatever I finished, I saw the services path properly. I can open this each and every node, but maybe after each and every session, like you can see after when our session is finished, they generally refresh it. Maybe something they doing with this system. That's why I can't see the option services here. And why I can see the services? We need to activate some application. Which application? Web dream to application, like online application or services generally, like regarding basis services. We need to activate. I raise a note to the basis team who handle this server. So it's the path, but I can't show you any data there because nothing is replicated. Everything is fail in ECC. So you can't see anything is replicated here. Everything is fail in ECC. But if anything is replicated in CAR system in real time, you can see each and everything. Follow the path. It's a simple path. Cross application, it's a monitoring path. Like I showed you, like /n pos dw mon o is the T code to monitor the pos data, pos monitoring workbench. Same way here you can monitor the DDF data, DDF master data, and like SLT you can monitor the data into HANA Studio. Here you have monitor the master data in CAR for DDF module. So this is the path. Here something is missing, activation is missing or deactivate something. That's why I can see the path, services and monitor. When you open the monitor, then you can see detail error, success, failure, if anything is properly replicated. Like here we don't have proper data in FMS system, that's why you can see any data in monitoring area of here cross application component, but in real time yeah.
Remind me, please, what issues we had on ECC side. As I remember, we configured everything properly and everything was green, but replication wasn't performed because I don't remember the reason. Maybe data is absent or what?
Yes, what happened in FMS, there is configuration also not in place. Like when first we need to replicate a material group and material then material. So on that moment, the first sequence, we saw the error like material plant is missing. So we have to configure, the person who configured the FMS or retail, they know how to configure any system based on material plant. So we can see the combination material plant combination. So that thing is missing in FMS.
Okay. Oh, okay, understood.
Yeah. So not only that, if we fulfill that FMS configuration, then next step we find out next also missing. So we have to configure properly the FMS system. Even when I started with that FMS system, I tried to fix it, but there's a, like you can say, end-to-end configuration. Like you can say it's whatever we configure here, we start configuring here like POS DTA for multi-channel. Same way, proper configuration is missing there. So we can't get the data properly when we push the data to CAR system. So it will time consuming also, and you know, I'm taking care of CAR system, so I didn't find any time to focus on FMS system, as well as it is a training system. So some person come into that system, they do something. So that's why I didn't touch that system. Configuration missing as well as the data is missing. Though there is something data is something here, some data is there, but that data not replicate properly because you have to configure each and every step first. So that's why this fell there. When you open the message, it will show you one by one. Like it showed us like material plant not found, combination not found. So you need to configure the state material plant in FMS, in SPRO. When you fulfill this, then when you execute the DRF out again, you have you will face the next error. Then you can check next. So this way we can configure FMS system or any system. So this is not the way. Whenever we start working with any system, we have to configure first. Then we can do replication, master data replication. You can say SLT, everything. Without any configuration or master data creation, we can't even use the SLT also. It will also throw you error like DRF out. So that's why you need to proper configure. So this is the path where we have to monitor in CAR. This is the path directly in SAP menu or NWBC as per your comfortable area, which area you will be comfort, NWBC or SAP menu. You can use this one, but this is the path. There's some option services and then monitor. And if there are any changes data, then you can find it from here, change pointer services. Here, display change pointers, or if any data is deleted there in your ECC system, you can find that one also. Display change point, delete change pointer. But basically we find it here because we are not least bothered about what delete and all. We focus on what change, what create, but we didn't work with the delete. But if you want, you can check this one also, because data replication always work each and every half an hour, half an hour time interval, or you can say, we can set a job for 1 hour, 2 hour, whatever our requirement. So whatever it happens with master data in ECC, it will be replicated in here in our card system. And what happen if data is replication properly? Like some master data is replicated here. Now where you have to go and check? Here the monitoring area, you have to check the failure reason, why data is failure into your card system. Sometimes what happen, you forget to mention the system connection when we configure, like here SPRO. When we start configure, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I hear you.
Yeah, okay. So when we start configuring SPRO, maybe same system design. So when configuration, you can say start for DDF module. First, we have to create a system, and can you remember we give the name 1002, and under that we assign a system of card system, sorry, FMS system. We assign system. So if you didn't put the proper system name, then you will get an error in monitoring part under NWBC. Like system is check your.
Are
check
you
your
connecting? Yes.
Yeah, I'm connected, but system is not connected. Remote desktop. I'm just connecting again and sharing my screen. I think screen is already shared. No.
Yes, yes, I see your screen, but as I understand, a remote server doesn't respond.
So disconnect. Yeah. Let me log in. So in here, like in NWBC or SAP menu, you can find the error, success message, everything. What is the reason of the failure? If data is failed into your card system, you can check here. Now after monitoring, where we have to check like data go there properly or not. So table, what is the table? Go to S11. There is this some table. Our focus is to fulfill that table. So we will check this list of table. Yeah, see TSPS, we already know this is the table for sales data.
Yes,
This
yes.
is for production hierarchy. All the product hierarchy. All the article related data will be stored here. Article hierarchy level here. Whatever here we see, there is no data because replication was failed there. If proper replication happens, so you can see data here, and this table content v_prd_hr. This is the production hierarchy, article related hierarchy, and article related data will be stored here. So this is the article related table related. Now, yeah.
Excuse me, I have a question. And where can I get the full list of the DMF tables on the car side after application?
Yeah, you can get.
As I remember, there are maybe, I don't remember, but the number is quite big. I don't remember the exact number of tables, but
yes,
more than 10 exactly.
Yeah, see, this is the special important table. Whatever I show you, this one, but there is a lot of table. This is the, you can see the DMF VTS inventory. This is the inventory related data will be stored into a card. Whatever we replicate. This is for merchandise category. This is for location hierarchy, like store related data will be stored here. So how you get this one? You just go here. Again, it's slow. So you have to give the detail like DMA/star and F4. But whatever the table I showed you, generally this will fulfill our all needs of DDF. But if you want to know more about DDF DMF based table, these all are the DDF table. If and every table will contain some data related to DDF. So you can check if there is any customizing related data regarding of EC. This is the product mode, price, merchandise data, plain data. There's a this is also regarding merchandise data, but for plan data, what is that we need to check. But that table will related with whatever I show you, merchandise category. This is related merchandise category, and that table will use. And this is also what is the I saw another table. So there is a lot of table you can see, and you can find the table, but this is the 5 main table. It is mandatory to fulfill this table, else you are not able to use DDF other module, 5 module for future use. Maybe there's another, you can see lots of table here, and it will be relevant to anything, maybe for any other use. But you can see, yeah, if anyone want a promotion text or type, then we have to use this one. The product description, like for article description, you can use this one. Maybe not maybe when this mandatory table, whatever I show you, let me show you again. This table fulfill with data, then this related table will automatically be fulfilled with data. If there are any text or any UN number is there, then it will be automatically fulfilled. This is for production hierarchy. This is important. TSP is obviously important. Inventory table important. Merchandise category, location category is important. So this 4 table is important. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 table is important. Why important? If this 4 table contain data properly, then their related table is optional. Like text is sometimes not important. Text table or UN number table, it will be not always important.
Okay, so and what can we do with this replicated information? What abilities of CAR can we use after replication data from ECC?
See, now your data is properly here, table is fulfilled with data. Now we need our third application to use who use the data. What is the use of DDF? Like we need, I'm talking about generally. Let me go back to SPRO. Sorry, here is SPRO. Now you can see under customers CAR demand data foundation. Here all thing is done, data properly replicated. Now what we do? We can do, we are now able to use the 5 module of CAR. What is that? Pricing management, merchandise management for retail, assortment management for retail, omni-channel pricing promotion for retail, this one, and other one is unified demand data foundation. So all this, like you can say, module you are able to use after all this scenario, like data properly replicated and all. So like I'm giving a real-time example. I'm using omnichannel pricing promotion, we are going to use. Now for that, whatever we did, we have to did like a table is fulfilled with data, master data, promotion, price, everything is there. Now I'm connecting my CAR system with a third application. Here is third application is Hybris Commerce. So here you can see generally, and don't know what happened. So generally what happened in our scenario, what we did like this: pause, I connected CAR and pause. Then you can say ECC FMS is here. Now we put master data into car. Here, master data here. Master data here. You can say DDF data, sorry, not PI under car. DDS data is properly here. DDF data. DDF data under car is properly there, replicated from FMS system. Now what we do? We can use this data for any 5 module of car. So here it's a module and it's a submodule of DDF. You can use OPP as a module of car, or you can use submodule of DDF. So how you use? For that we need any third application. Third application means I am generally using as per need. I'm using Hybris Commerce. Hybris Commerce is there and it is connected with car. It is connected with car system. Simple RFC connection is there. You can say with car system we connected with car system here. So Hybris Commerce and car system is connected, and car contain the DDF data. Now we can use this DDF data for Hybris Commerce. How you use? We use this pricing promotion as a central pricing promotion for Hybris Commerce. Hybris Commerce will use this central pricing promotion. They don't go to any other system, and not only that, your POS system also you can connect your POS system with DDF data, data, whatever the master data. If there is any other system like CRM system, you can connect a car with CRM system, and CRM system you will use your master data. So it's depend for which third application you are going to use the DDF data. So here I will show you how we generally use the master data for any third application. So there is a 5 module under car. I show you the configuration for DDF here, whatever we configure here for the omni-channel pricing promotion. Now think about price and promotion and all the article and sales are available in your DDF module. Think like that. ESPS and all the other table contain the data properly. Now we are going to use this one for Hybris Commerce, or you can use for POS, or you can use for CRM. In real time, I'm using it for Hybris Commerce, so that's why I will like to give you the real time scenario. So here you can see. So is this clear for you?
Yes.
After
yes.
What happened?
Yeah. Okay. In general, yes.
Yeah. So you can see it's a general view also, because to connect any Hybris Commerce with car is not an easy job. I'm telling you, it's a little bit hard work also, because sometimes whatsoever these two systems not communicate, and we tried a lot, and finally what happened, there's in Hybris Commerce, whatever it's in background is written in Java code, and so it's hard to find out what is the error in Java code. Sometimes installation was not properly, so that's why it's tough to connect between car and Hybris Commerce. So finally we did it, and what happened? Yeah.
So if we want to work with Hybris Commerce, we need a Java specialist, yes?
No. It's good to know Java, but it's not mandatory, because I know very little bit of JavaScript, Java code, but you can say it's not a sufficient knowledge to work with Hybris Commerce. But my work is on integration part. Integration means Hybris Commerce and connected with car system. This two system connection and data flows from both two systems. So my work is integration part. My work is not like installation is not or there is properly. But yes, if you are going to work with a hardcore hybrid commerce consultant, then obviously it's important to know JavaScript, because there's a lot of script you have to write. If you want a custom something scenario, then you have to write some code in background. And also in there what happened here, you can see we use PI, right? But here, how system connected? Here there is a system with Hybris commerce that is called Data Hub. Okay, so Hybris commerce and CAR communicate through Data Hub. First, CAR push the data to Data Hub, then Data push the data to Hybris, and same vice versa. Hybris push the data to Data Hub. Yeah.
So if I understood you correctly, Data Hub is something that stands between CAR and Hybris commerce.
Yes. Yes.
On the landscape, yes. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah, and it's like when you can use what if you want, you can use PI also, but if we have added like with Hybris commerce, which is compatible with Hybris commerce like Data Hub, there you don't have to do any mapping manually. But in PI, you have to do lots of mapping manually to push a simple data like a sales data, something data, whatever you have to do a manual effort. But here you don't have to do anything. Just need to connect three system, you can say. And Data Hub on itself on Hybris commerce. When you install Hybris commerce, we have to install the Data Hub also. So this is the scenario, and it's like sometimes when we were started work, it's a little bit tough on that time, but now it's good. Effort is less to work with Data Hub than PI. So this is the requirement. That was the requirement. Like my DDF data is there, price promotion is there, everything is in CAR system. Now what happened? If CAR has data, who are going to use that data? In our scenario, Hybris commerce going to use that data. So for that, I already show you there's a standard table that contain the price, promotion, article, everything. And if you are going to use this one, omnichannel pricing promotion, so no need to use the inventory table and all. So, and also you don't need to do anything. You just need to configure omnichannel price promotion, and also there's a two IDOC, one for price and one for promotion. So I'm just showing you what happened here. Here in new entries, you just need to activate this one. Why you need to activate? You are going to tell your system like I am going to use omnichannel pricing promotion. Okay, so this one is there. Default language, your default languages enforce compatibility of offer to omnichannel pricing promotion. No, we don't check this one because what is the one more thing, if offer is there, when we choose this, if offer is there, any offer with price or promotion, offer is also you need to, it's itself a master data. You need to, when we replicate it, you have to replicate this master data from ECC. So you have, if you have an offer in your scenario with pricing promotion, offers means buy one get one free, like this type of offer, or discount, this type of offer. So if you have any offer, then you can select this data, but it's optional, it's not mandatory for offer. So yeah, save this. Now you tell your system like we are going to use pricing promotion for any system. Now system don't know from which system you are going to use. Is it POS, is it Hybris commerce or anything? Now also you need to inform the system, CAR system, for whom we are going to use. For that, and one more thing, if you are going to use this one, omnichannel pricing promotion, this one and this one, this two module, if you are going to use, then it is mandatory. Like the view, I think you can remember the real-time inventory visibility view we talking about. It's like a how you calculate the inventory real-time in HANA views. So it is in proper in place and it's contain the data properly. Then you are eligible to use these two modules, omnichannel and pricing promotion article. These two modules then you are going to use. It's mandatory. So if like anyone will ask you what is the use of real-time inventory visibility, one, you know, we can find the real-time inventory from HANA views, and there is a or they can ask you, we don't care about that, we don't want real-time from HANA views, we can check from ECC. Then what will be your, what is the use of inventory visibility? So you can tell them this is the use. Without inventory visibility, we are not going to use this two module. So this two module checks some background through, like they are interrelated. This two module interrelated, like this two module, when you are going to activate here and use for any third application, it will check from background, like that module activated or not, like views, sorry, inventory visibility views activated or not. So it's mandatory. Yeah.
So firstly, we need to check whether the inventory visibility view is activated, and only after that we can successfully use omnichannel promotion pricing and omnichannel article availability. Yes.
Yes. Yes. So yeah. So there is, and there is a like a use of inventory visibility, like you are going to use omnichannel pricing promotion article availability. If this is activated, number one. Number two is DDF configured properly, master data replicated properly. Number three, your sales table is fulfilled with data, sales table TSPS, and we configure in POS DTA, like that 0050 is in place. So these are the basic, like basic and must be requirement for to going to use this two module. So you can see we activated this one. Now we are going to tell our system, like to which system we are going to use our pricing promotion, and think like our table is fulfilled with data, think like that. So for that same way, whatever we did for ECC system, we can give a name here, logical system name. So you inform system, first you have to create the logical system name for hybrid commerce. I'm taking it here as a we are going to use for hybrid commerce. So here you have to give any name. Hybrids, I am giving hybrids system. So give any sorry, hybrid system. And one more thing, here also we are going to use DRF out, data replication framework, like EFMS, whatever we did. But in previous we use RFC connection here, and also outbound implementation. Here we use IDOC. Here we are going to use IDOC for DRF out. So hybrid system. Yeah.
So we configured DRF out on the ECC side, and now we need to configure DRF out on the car side. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Car side for any other third application. If you are going to use with, you can say POS system, then what you did, you have to connect with any PI. First, you need to push the data with PI. Then PI take care of data. Like PI push the data to your car, sorry, POS system. But remember, whatever I configure here, you need to perform same step for PI, for CRM, for other system. So here we did this one. Now come back with we define this system now in WE21. What is this? Here we need to define the port. Oh, before define that port, we need to define the RFC connection between hybrids and car system. I'm taking SN59 now. Remember, still previous we created ABAP connection, but here we will create G type connection. connection means HTTP connection for hybrids. Yeah, but for if it is PI, you again need to create ABAP connection. If it is CRM, you also need to create ABAP connection, but only for hybrids you need to create HTTP connection. Now why? Because we use hybrids we can't access hybrids using any GUI, SAP GUI. We have to access using HTTP connection. So we need to check connect hybrids, not hybrids. First we connect a data hub. So you put here the data hub detail. So give the hybrid system name here. Give description same way, whatever thing, host name, like hybrid system name you have to give. So just give it HY SY, and you have to give the service now. Whatever I'm showing you, the person who installed the system, they will provide you the service number. So generally it is 8081. Generally we use this one. Generally for any hybrid system, if you are going to use, it is like this 818080. And you need to check the path also. I can remember the path like something like that, /v1 / something like RSC, something like this. I can remember the path. So this is the like for all hybrid system. You can change when you install properly. You can change, and the host name will be the different for every organization wise. Host name will be the different, but here the path and service number will be the same for each and every institute. You can say organization or retail organization or any for any customer. This two will be same for hybrid commerce. Now what you did like you connect the data hub. Still not you are connected with hybrid commerce. You connected with data hub and your car system. Now whatever you know, the same message you will get, not secure, like give the basic authorization. You need to push the user, like whatever the user, you will have to push the data. Now you can, when you check the connection, so it will give you like HTTP connection okay and 2022 the value. So not you are not access from here to directly to the system. Generally with ABAP time we did this one. So this is the way we generally perform. So we save this. Now you can see we created a system connection SM59. Now come back, or WE20. In WE21 we need to create the port. What is that? What is that? Port is like you can see like the area where you need to push the data, the endpoint. You can see the receiver point. So here for hybrids we generally create the transaction RFC. Remember about ECC port, this one we created, but for hybrids and for PI also we create, CRM also we create, but for hybrids we'll create a XML file this one, because we are going to push the data through XML format. Okay. So here you need to give the yeah, here same like what happened, it not open. So here you need to give the port name, description, and also let me check one thing. I think not this one. Let me, it will not we have to wait something. So here you can see we need to give the detail of the port. You have to give the name of the whatever we created, the hybrid SY system, and the description. Then it will be creating a port. Now in WE20 we'll define it's hang, I think. In WE20 we define the IDOC, and under IDOC whatever same we did previously, under IDOC we mentioned that port. So it will, there is two IDOC only. one for price and one for promotion.
Excuse me, Deepali, are we still on the ports in IDOC processing transaction, or maybe another transaction? Because I see your previous screen.
I didn't get you. IDOC?
In what transaction we are now? I see screen with XML file creating. Hello. Hello. Mm-hmm. Hello.
Can you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear you.
Yeah, I'm just logging.
Okay.
Create XML file. It's not a XML, sorry, XML HTTP, not XML file. So what was your query? Something you asked me?
Yes. I think there was something with connection, and I don't see your current screen because yes.
Yeah, there's some. Can you share? Can you see my screen now?
No, I see only gray screen now.
Is it? So let me check.
Maybe I need to reconnect.
Okay, okay, do that.
Okay, some.
I'm waiting.
Few moments, please.
Yeah, yeah. You here also like I can see you like no mic is there, nothing for you. You can reconnect.
Okay.
Yeah.
Deeply, can you hear me?
Yeah. Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, I see gray screen.
You can see my screen?
No, I see just a gray screen.
Okay, let me do one thing. I'm just exit and let me log in again.
Okay.
Or one, yeah, I'm just do one thing. I'm creating because again, as there is an issue with like a share screen. I'm doing like again. I'm reconnecting using the same. Let me check.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just stop sharing. Yeah, that is not working. I think it's hang. Stops. I try to stop sharing, but it's not working.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
I see screen.
Yeah. Yeah. Now you can you see my screen?
Yes, I see the XML HTTP.
Yes.
Mhm.
Previously, I show you XML file. No, if it is hybrids, we have to use XML file HTTP to create a port. Now here, I'm going to create a port. Oh, what is port? Port, we have to give the, during the IDOC assignment, we have to give the port name here. So here port, you can give any port name, whatever you want, and give hybrids URT, anything you can give name is port, and here RSC destination, whatever we created before this one, and see what is SOAP protocol. SOAP is a process, like you can read the HTML file, but we don't need to select this one, because after some version of Hypebeast, like if you working with 6.0 plus, then you don't need to select this one. So leave it as blank. SOAP is a protocol. There's a SOAP also. You can give the HTTP detail and all, and you can check the XML file, not HTTP detail, the XML file detail or path. Then you can check the detail of the file, how much data is passed to the hybrids, how much failed. So it's a tool, you can say. But here we don't need to do anything, because in hybrid data hub we can check everything. So yeah, so I saved this one here. It is created. Now we need to go back. WE20, what is that? Here we have to assign the IDOC name. Here like in previous we create here, like whatever the data we push from card to ECC, we create KU, customer type, like M22, sorry, STR2, STR1. This two we created here for this 5 IDOC. But here we need to create for LS type logical system here. For if you push the data from card to hybrids, from PI or to CRM, we need to create LS type, but only for POS data like sales data or any goods movement data you need to push from card to ECC. You have to create here, give the detail of store name, and then each and every store you have to assign one by one. So we are going to use hybrids. I'm creating here. Give the system name, whatever we created in cell, like that one, hybrids. SY. System type here, partner type is LS. LS is logical system. Give your user for ECC system here, ST user EN. Now you successfully created a system. Now you need to give the here the outbound parameter. You need to assign the outbound parameter here. For that, you need to this one, ROP best price. This is the name of the IDOC. This is the name of the IDOC. Okay, now sometime what happened, you didn't like, I'm just F4 here, like back here, or you can F4 here. and you can see the IDOC, like I'm just ROP, just remove this. And if you knew, like you never configured this, and you are going to search this one. Let me check here from down. ROP. You yeah, ROP.
There is no ROP.
No, there is ROP, but the limitation, because it's so only 365 entries. There is more entry, that's why you can see that. Then how you manage this one? Like somehow you going to put like ROP. Let me check. Maybe they remove this one. Let me check. Then where you have to go? You have to yeah, you have to go WE80. WE80 is the T code. WE81. Yeah, WE81 is the T code. Here you can see, you can find each and every IDOC. If anything is missing, you can assign here. Now you know the IDOC name, ROP, and you can check from here. You have to remember these two IDOC, one for a base price and promotions, like base underscore promotion. Then how we find? When I work with fresh system, this two IDOC was not there. So I came into here, and this one. See, this two I assigned by myself, because this two was not there, ROP base price and ROP promotion. And how you assign this two? When you're working with fresh system of CAR, you maybe you are not able to see these two IDOC. So for any IDOC, whatever any standard IDOC, if you are not able to see here WE81, then you are not able to use here. So here just go to change mode, give the IDOC name, new entries, give the IDOC message number, whatever, like this one. For any new IDOC, if your system not find this, then you have to give the name and short description, whatever, it's your choice, and save this. Then it will show you like in previous, in here, then only you are able to use in W20. So it is there, so that's why I can find. And from F4, why didn't it's so? Because it's more than 165 IDOC is there, that's why it's only so 165. So if anything is missing there, you can check for WE81. Now check receiver port. What is our port? Our port is that one. Select this one, and basic type, select this one. Now basic type, this one, 01. Remember, whatever the IDOC last, always be 01. So you successfully created a IDOC for base price, and you can say this is for price. Whatever price come into your system, it will be posted into Hybris from CAR. Same way, yeah, same way you need to use promotion. For that, it is ROP promotion slash Hybris port IDOC immediately. Now enter. After enter, you can see the basic type. So if you forget the basic type, you can see the C again, it's 01. So whatever the message type, last is 01. So this one is done. Come back, data, yes. So we configure two IDOC for you can say promotion OPP, omni-channel pricing promotion. And why it is omni-channel? You can use this price promotion for multi-channel, not only multi-channel. Omni-channel means for a web channel, UI-based channel, for your POS system, for card system, sorry, for CRM system. That's why it's omni-channel. So it is in place. Now we have to configure our, you can say, DRF out. So again, we need to cross some, you need to did little bit of step for DRF out, and also after DRF out, let me check configuration of DRF. Let me check DRF out is activated or not here, because yes, we need to configure DRF out, and same whatever you can see, step is same. Here is no value. Why? Because we don't configure. So we have to configure DRF out here, and then we are eligible to use data replication. Like after using DRF out, you are able to use you can see the detail of the system. Now you can see the configuration. Here in previous, if you remember, we go from SPRO, then logistic general, then other nodes. But here DRF IMG, you can directly go there. Even I didn't check ever, like never. We can go there from ECC. I'll check and will inform you if you're using IMG, but I'm not sure we are able to use this one. So same, whatever we did in that system, same we have to follow, but in replication method, we have to mention this to IDOC, not the implementation method, outbound method. Outbound implementation. So here, if we new entry, see the same system. So business system, you have to give any business system name. I'm taking Hybrids. It is custom, so I'm taking Y Hybrids. Logical system, we already mentioned in sale. This one, sorry, RFC destination in SM59.
HTTP destination, yes?
Yes.
We created soon. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, it is HTTP destination. Logical path, if you would like to pick the data from any file path, and then you would like to trigger this, you can say the DRF out, then you have to give the path like you push the place the data in a XML file, and that file maintained in some place, some application area, and you would like to push this data using that IDOC, you can use that path. But here we don't use that path. Why? We'd like whenever a master data is created, change, it will be here master data means promotion price. It will be replicated in our system, in hybrid system. That's why, but it's your choice. You can mention also. And same, it's the download from presentation server. There's a different server. If you mention any file path, then you can, it is in presentation server, then you can choose this. Is your system in Unicode? It's talking about Hybris Commerce. Is it Unicode? And if yes, then you have to choose this button. And same, whatever you discuss. Like again, you can see disable for application, replication. What is that? After some time, you are not going to use this business system. It is then you can choose this as a disable. So it will not use for any replication method. So we are creating this system. It's the same way we have to create the definition replication method. What is that? First, we need to create a new entries. It is for you need to give any name. I'm giving here OPP. I would like to use Y. This is for OPP module of card. Log days 7, like 7 days or any more days. Data model, if you are going to use data model, even I'm not sure, but let me check. What is this? Yeah, there's no data model. Maybe it's some talking about some standard data model and all. I will check this one.
As I remember, on the besides this
Model is,
cross-link.
yeah, master data in the system. Yeah, tell.
Yes.
Yeah, it is the model, the master data in the system. So if there is a data model, then you can use this one. Save this one. Same process, like see, like whatever here, after selecting these, we need to do outbound, assign outbound implementation. Here.
And outbound implementations will be the same as on ECC side?
No, here we have to mention the two IDOC, whatever we just created here. That is the outbound implementation. Yeah. Let me check. It will take little bit time. Then we just need to assign this outbound implementation. Then same like target system. This is the process, whatever we did. It's what happened, maybe first time, or maybe that's why. Let me check. Yeah. Then F4, see that 2 is there. Can you see this one? ROP
yes.
price? Yeah. And ROP promotion, but IDOC was slash, but meaning is same. This 2 is using for, you can say, price and promotion, and sequence is first we push price, then promotion. So save this one. Okay, we have to assign the target system. This one, what is our target system? Here is for hybrid commerce. Let's come back. Same process, there is no different. And one more thing, this DRF out is not using for, you can say, for car or hybrids. No, it is used for any other system. MDG system I saw very, and sometimes CRM system I saw. So you can use it for any system, but process is same way. But you have to know what implementation you are going to use for that. Now choose this one, outbound parameter we have to assign for that, and it is standard. You don't have to do anything. This two, sorry, this three, just Y, this three, copy. Save this back. This standard, that's why it's easy for us, because we don't need to do anything. But it tough time when we get error. So sometimes it's a little bit tough, because it's tough to work with you can say standard things. So sometimes, not all time. Let me do one by one. It will be better. Just two I'm selecting. Just do this. Save this. So our this two thing is done. Like whatever is needed we did. Now we have to go here, choose this, activate. Let me check. Yeah, there is a replacement YOPP. Something is error is there. Now let me check what is there here. Implementation invalid filter time has been assigned to replication module. ROP price. Under price there is some invalid implementation. Invalid implementation has been assigned to replication module. Invalid implementation.
What does it mean, filter time?
Yeah, let me check. Something is missing there. Invalid implementation time. I think we need to same like we need to do some business object here. So let me check if there is any standard business object for there. Not sure for that, but this is standard business object. Let me check. Hope so. This is the issue. Let me analysis type we also maintain. This is for price. ROP price. Okay, write me here. /n /RO, sorry, no, /ROP price. No, base price. RIC. And second is ROP /promotion. No, again, it's something is wrong there. About ROP price, invalid filter time. You have assigned the wrong filter time to the replication model. You can only assign filter before change analysis. Define DRA finally choose define the assign outbound change the filter time for your application model and select filter before change. Okay, got this one. Okay, so here if we go here, you can see here we have to check this one, filter before change analysis. So system asked me to select this one. Let me check. Then replication. Yeah, now it's fine. So it was missing there. So for you can see if you go to that here for price, here we need to check the filter time before change analysis. Means if anything is changed, then it will be analyzed before, when we implement replicate something. So it will be analyzed before changing anything, and for promotion after changing. So as per, like you can see, it's also standard configuration. So we need to choose this one, filter before change analysis. This one, this option for price. So I forgot to choose this one. So that's why it's show me error. So now it's activated. Select this one. You can see it's activated. Yeah, it's activated properly. Now again, same like /n drf out. Drf out is there. So if you F4 here, this one is replication. You can say replication model. And outbound implementation, only 2 is there. So you can choose this one.
One by one. Or we
yeah,
can select.
Yeah, the first time we select all, and then we replicate initialization first time. And then here you can't see anything because nothing is there. So
we have no data. Yes.
Yeah, we don't have any data. So if you see, parameter runtime is not said, nothing is there. So that's why it's like data inconsistency. So that's why I need to proper data is there. Then we are able, obviously our system also put wrong system. So same process, and where you have to go and check TRF log is the place. Here you can check same like what log and all is there, so you can check the detail for log. It is fail. Where spice is fail, so you can check the log also. Each and everything, because if there is a data, then we can find out what is the issue and all. There is no data. If there is any data, then so what happened finally? So we set a background jobs for DRF out. Now for each and every 1 hour or after 5 hour of whatever the requirement we set, generally after every 1 hour this DRF out will be triggered, and it will be replicated the master data means the central pricing. Now we can't call them a master data, we call them a central pricing promotion data to hybrids. Now hybrids use that pricing promotion data from CAR, not from any other system. And what is the use? So, what happen if your hybrids commerce connected with ECC? Then we can they can collect the data from FMS or retail system. What is the need of that? What happens generally in real time? We connect multiple system with CAR, so you don't need to go for each and every system like POS, CRM, hybrids, and push the master data one by one. All systems use CAR as a hub, data hub, central data hub for price promotion, and they access the data from there. So you don't need to do from each and every system connection with any other system, or replication is again with CRM, then hybrids, then again POS. So you need to do DRF on out only once, and you can connect multiple system with that. You just need to select configure. You have to configure not configure, you have to set a background job, and it will be triggered for each and every 1 hour for all systems. So no need to go each system and push the data. Only one trigger and it will be posted all the data.
Okay. Yes, and I have a next question. Let's imagine we managed to perform DRF out to hybrids without any errors. We have